I'm gonna show you guys a few spots here that can say they could do like your custom wheels, and I'll show you one right here. So for example, hello sir. Oh, hi. Do you guys offer like wheel white label, like my own brand? Like
or you can put your own brand in
the center cap?
Yeah, in the center cap.
What would be like the minimum order quantity?
If you want to do the forged, 4 pieces.
Okay.
Pieces, but if you want to do the flow foaming, like a 60. 60 for each model. Yeah.
And you can export to
Yeah.
Mexico, Canada, USA?
Yeah, DDP.
DDP. Oh wow, okay.
Sometimes DDP.
And what if I don't like this style? What if I want a different design? Can you guys help me? Like if I wanted to invest in a mold, can you do the mold?
Invest the mold is good. Yeah,
Okay.
we can.
Okay.
But you know, if customer ask me to invest the model, the minimum quantity is 500 pieces.
500 pieces
Yeah.
per model.
Per model, yeah.
And
At
per
the
size.
First order.
First
per size. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Do you guys have like a WeChat or
WeChat,
something
yeah.
that they can like?
This one is mining card.
Okay. Okay, perfect.
You're
And
from
then,
Las Vegas. I've been there 2 times.
oh really? For SEMA or for?
SEMA show.
Oh yeah,
You're
yeah.
always there?
Yeah. We're always there.
Good.
Thank you so much for your time, and yeah, we look forward to
you.
getting you some leads. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, guys, so there you have it. That was like an interaction. And just like how I had that conversation, I can have that conversation with them. Like there's probably hundreds of them. From the small companies to the big companies, they all say that they can put your custom brand on the center cap. There's a lot of companies in the US, for example, that are selling already wheels that, for example, let's say I'm a shop and I'm selling, I don't know, 500 wheels a month, and I'm buying them from X distributor. Well, if I'm already selling them, I might as well put my own center caps, which really the center caps very cost effective. And then you can go ahead and offer your own exclusive wheel. Yes, the design might be the same, or it might be very similar, or it might not be the trendy designs that people are sometimes looking for, but it could be a good opportunity for some people. But check this out, guys. I mean, even if you wanted to do, like these guys apparently do something like prime, like a plant or something. So what do you guys do?
We design and manufacture the coating line for wheel rim painting.
Oh, okay. So let me see. Can I go in?
Okay.
So what does this machine do though? Like I see some water over there, and
That's for here.
okay.
This for driving and current.
Okay.
This is oven. This is an oven.
Okay, so it's an oven,
Yes.
and then it puts the wheel chrome, or it puts the color of the wheel.
Oh yeah, different color.
So if I wanted a green wheel,
Yes.
I can
also.
use this machine to make the wheel
Yes,
green.
Yeah. Any color if you want.
How much does a machine like this typically cost? FOB.
Depends.
FOB if I were to pick it from China, like here.
$1 million USD dollar.
$1 million. Okay, so the range is from $1 million, and it can be more expensive.
Maybe cheaper.
Okay.
Or more.
Because you have to go to the facility, check how are we gonna put it. So it's not just selling the machine and
Yes.
Okay.
Customize, you know.
customize. Yes.
Yes.
And we see here, guys, that this thing's moving, but I don't know what it's doing though. Like, what can you walk me through? Like, what is it doing?
First.
So it's gonna go in here, guys. There's this like box. Okay, so you can see here. There's like a gun, and I'm guessing this is what it does. It's like.
First step for the painting, and then that's why the second step.
Okay.
And then it go to that oven.
So this is the first step.
Yes.
So there's 2 steps to this.
Yes. Actually, we should do the pre-treatment. That's mentioned, but
Oh, okay.
you know.
So somebody's gonna be using this machine. It's gonna pre-treat the wheel.
No, this machine is just a spring gun.
Okay,
and
okay.
for manual, and we have automatic.
So you don't need this machine if you're doing a small volume. Maybe you could just use that
Yes,
machine.
yes. But,
Oh, wow, okay.
but this line is for the automatic line.
Yeah, if you have a lot of wheels that you want. Okay.
Right.
But this
Right.
could be very nice for someone. This could be
Yes,
actually very nice for
yeah,
someone.
yeah,
Okay.
yes. And it-
Well, thank you so much for showing us today. Okay.
Thank you. So you
All right,
just
guys. So as you saw, I mean, you could just pretty much buy a freaking powder coating machine. I did actually ask a company the other day if they had like an automation type of machine to install and change tires. They did tell me not yet, but that they're building one. We also have seen some mobile vans that I'm gonna be showing you guys here that I liked. So for example, here we have another booth that has maybe a little more custom wheels. I don't know if these are gonna be, I'm assuming you could just change the center cap as well, but these look nice. Look at that heart design. I think these are bead locks, or I don't know if they just look like bead locks, but some of these look very nice. Oh, and then they got the color of the center caps here.
Different from your things you do.
Yeah.
Our wheels is forged.
Okay, so forged wheels.
Some mainly of the products in China they buy maybe casting.
Okay.
So you know?
Casting, yeah.
Yeah.
Most of the wheels are cast.
Yeah.
And so you guys all are forged. All of these are forged?
Yes. Our
No
is
cast.
forged. No.
You guys don't do. What about the design? Like if I wanted to send you a design, you can do a design, or is it already designs you
We
have?
can do OEM and ODM.
OEM designs?
Yes, ODM.
Okay, I
It's-
see. So this would be a 2-piece wheel.
Yes,
So
yes.
the whole center thing comes out, and then this would be a bead lock, which is just the ring.
Yes.
Okay, and there's more for off-road, and the center, the 2-piece wheels are more for a sports car, perhaps.
Yes.
Okay, and if anybody wanted to, what's the MOQ? So like if I four, just
Yes.
4. Oh wow, that's really good.
It will be very friendly.
Yeah. So what about
Laser.
if can you export?
Yeah, we can export. We have our own trading company.
Okay, nice. Okay. Well, where can people contact you if they have questions? If they're watching this video and they wanna like get a quote or a price, where can they contact you?
So my phone, my email,
Okay,
and
then
also
okay.
I have a shop on Alibaba.
Okay, great. Okay, and what's your name?
My name is Wendy.
Wendy. Well, thank you so much, Wendy, for your time. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, guys. Well, you learned something new, guys, because I didn't know actually the difference between a 2-piece wheel and a bead lock. So now I understand that a lot better. So I guess bead locks are for off-road wheels that you damage the side and you just change them and they're easier to change. While 2-piece wheels are more for sports cars, it seems like, that people that just want to change the look of their wheel without having to buy a new wheel. Definitely kind of niche, but kind of cool to understand all those details.
Forged wheel.
Forged wheels?
Yes, we have a company on Consultation products.
With my own brand, I can put my own brand, my own center cap.
Okay.
Yeah?
You can have a look.
Let's see. So I'm recording a video and I'm interested in seeing how I can make my own wheel brand.
Anhui, in Anhui.
YouTube.
In Anhui. On Consultation products from our company. Anhui Tongjiu Technology.
Oh, okay. And are these like original equipment, or why did they say like Toyota,
You can have a
Neo?
look.
Let's see. So all forged, no cast.
Yes.
No cast wheels?
On Consultation products.
Okay, I see. What's the MOQ?
You can have a photo more.
We can have.
Photo more.
Yeah. So we have different types of wheels here, but these are all forged, right? No cast wheels.
Forged, just a forged wheel.
This one's nice, actually. And the material is like a matte blue. And then you got like this design. This looks like a high-end steel wheel. But no cast. Do you do cast wheels or only forged?
Only forge, just forge wheel.
And two-piece
have
wheel or
company.
beadlock?
Yes, we have a company. You can take a photo of our company.
Yeah, I see. Where are you guys based out of? Shanghai?
Anhui, in Anhui.
Anhui.
Yes.
Okay, okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay. All right. Appreciate it. So check this out. There's a booth here, and these look like more higher end. These guys do really good work.
This is magnesium.
I'm sorry?
Magnesium.
Magnesium.
Yes.
Magnesium wheel.
Yes.
Wow. It looks expensive.
Thank you.
Looks nice. If I wanted a wheel like this, my brand, you can do that?
Yeah.
What is the MOQ?
4 piece.
4-piece. So I can, okay, you export to America? To US, yeah?
Yes.
What are these?
This is the card.
Oh, so those are just wheel covers, okay. So I can buy like custom wheel covers for my showroom or something like that. Oh, that's nice. Okay.
This is the sample.
What is this, sample?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay, can I grab one?
Yes.
Wow, this is really cool. Looks like a toy. Very nice. Very, very cool.
We have our factory and we use for about 26 years.
26 years in the business. And I see you have a lot of samples here. Very nice. You can take them home and then you can pick the best one you like.
Yes.
Oh, very nice. Yeah, I flew from Vegas to see the show. Put it like this. So if people wanted to buy wheels, where can they contact? Okay, so if people wanted to buy some of these wheels, where can they contact you? Where, WeChat, WhatsApp?
WeChat.
Okay. Do you have so we can share the WeChat, people can see. Okay, so you guys can just scan that WeChat code and then she'll contact you guys. Okay? And I guess we're gonna take a picture or something. You guys want a picture? Okay. Okay. 谢谢. Bye bye. Bye bye. Very friendly booth. Bye. Now, right in front, we're gonna see this company right here. I'm intrigued because mobile service has been one of my most popular videos on this channel, so I know a lot of you guys like it. I'm seeing a lot of these machines, like the balancing machines, that just is mounted and you could just work on it and then hi. So yeah, it's very nice. Let's see the tire changer. It follows the same logic as the other one. And it's the same machine, but I guess this one you do walk inside. And then I don't know how tall this would be, but let's see if I were to like stand. Yeah, so like a 6 foot tall, might need a high roof. I like the other setup more. The other setup where the machine was like right here in the back, and then you work from there. You have I think this is an oil lube filter for oil changes. This tire changer though is nice. I wonder if it's the same. No, it's not. Very nice, very nice. Like you could tell by the type of material, the color of it, the details. So there's a lot of arms and everything, so why is it so special?
You can see two assistant arms, and
Okay.
this one has a control panel, so the operator can stand here and operate the machines. It would be more convenient.
Why is there a camera? Oh, okay, so the camera's over there to see the bottom.
Here, so you don't need to bend and see how to operate it. You just step here so you can see.
Okay. And so he's gonna start operating the tire changer. So we're seeing he's lowering the arm, and I'm guessing he's gonna unmount it. He's gonna break the bead. Oh, okay, so it's breaking the bead at the bottom, huh? Okay. So that's what it's for. So just so you know, guys, at the bottom, that's what the camera is for. You have a bead breaker. You know how you typically grab those clamps and clamp the bead to break the bead? Now you don't need that with this machine. You just use that. And then you clamp the wheel. And so there's a little hook that goes in there. I've seen that. There's a little hook that automatically pulls the tire for you, which is really, really nice. I had not seen that in a while. Very, very nice. Oh, okay. So you're using this to pretty much get the tire out. How much does that cost typically? Like,
I will send you the price later. Do you have a business card or something?
I have WeChat. WeChat works?
We can.
Yeah, this is why it's so important, guys. If you don't have WeChat, it's like WeChat here, it's crazy and it's very convenient. I'm starting to really like it. Okay, yes, that's me. And then if somebody's interested, where can they scan to contact you? So if some viewer, where can they reach you? Do you have a WeChat or a business card we can share?
I have a business card. I can share.
Yeah, so we have it here, guys. I'll give it back, so that way just so you can see it. So you can pause the video, and if you're interested in contacting this company, you can definitely reach out to them directly. And your name is Leona?
Yeah, Leona.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much, Leona.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, okay? Thank you again. Enjoy the show. Okay, guys, I'm getting tired now, but we continue to go on in the show, and as you can see, still more wheels, more tires. They're all gonna say very similar things. It's kind of funny because I don't know if you guys noticed, but a lot of people look at you strange. I think it's because it's a foreigner thing, or I don't know if it's because I'm holding a camera and people naturally just like are curious about that, or maybe it's both. I don't know. But what I can say is that China is very friendly. I've never, I think if anything, they're extra kind to you. Many of you guys know I might be biased because my wife's Chinese, but again, every time I come, I enjoy my time. I'm gonna keep walking the show. I think I've shown you pretty much a little bit of everything. I've shown you wheel companies. I've shown you, in this place, and you guys already have some contact info, so out of this video, you didn't have to come to China, but if you want to come, every year, this show specifically, from what I heard, grew exponentially compared to last year. So definitely you want to consider coming. I'm thinking actually of making like a yearly trip where we come 1 or 2 days to this trade show, then we go to factories and visit them in person, and then just have fun, kind of like experience some tourism, and then just go back home. It should be a short trip, but if we do something like that next year, I'm gonna definitely plan it more ahead of time. And with that being said,